Hello, welcome to Research Roadmap, where we guide your upcoming researchers on how to do research. So this now we're going to talk about a very unique topic that can make anyone who wants to go into research to understand the basics of research. Okay, so for us to start, we're going to look at this very important aspect. What is research? What is research? That is a very important question for anyone who wants to go into research to understand what research really means for effective research to be done. Okay, so for us to understand what is research, we need to understand it from the basics. Now we're going to look at research in this um, way. We're going to see research as a natural thing, purpose oriented, process oriented, and result oriented. This 4 point is what makes research worth doing. Now, when you say this 14 is also what makes research to be really important and to be done effectively. Now, research is a natural is a something that we do every day, being a natural thing. Now, it's our daily thing we do every now and then. Example, shopping. You walking into a shop, um, um, checking the prices, checking the product, and all those things. You are doing research. After which you can make comparison. After which you can compare the product, going through the different shops and all the rest of them. You um getting information from the internet on the social media. You are doing research, asking questions, trying to verify a given information or topic of an interest to you. You are doing research. So meaning that research is something that we do every day of our life. At some point in our day, we do research. Okay, and also research is a purpose driven. That is why we do research. You must have something in mind, and that purpose can be for you to discover knowledge, for you to gain idea, for you to answer pressing issues or questions in the society, or for you to increase your knowledge about a particular product, price, and all those kind of things. That is research. So academically, the same thing. You have a purpose of doing this research for you to build academic knowledge, for you to explore some ideas in the field, for you to answer some pressing uh, um, um, need or question in the society. That is research. For you to increase knowledge bank, knowledge wealth in the society and academic field. That is research. So that is the purpose of that drives you to go into that very particular uh, um, um, topic or that very particular area of research. Also, research is a process driven, process oriented. For that to happen, you as a researcher must be able to initiate, identify, collect, analyze, interpret, and be able to report whatever you have found out and all the rest of them. Okay, we're going to look at all these points um, in more details. So, but the process of you you're initiating a topic, initiating an idea, a concept, that is a research you are doing. Okay, and also identifying a given problem. It is a given research gap. That is research. Collecting data from different angles from that very shop. That is research. That is a process. Analyzing that very data you have collected, that very prices you have collected, that very products you have collected, that very shops you have been into, collecting information from them. You are doing what? You are collecting data. After which you sit, you think on those things, and then you analyze them, filter the data you have collected to know, okay, among all these five shops you have been into, here is the best product, with the best price and all the rest of them. That is your interpretation you have done. And then you report. So, okay, then you make a decision through your reporting. Okay. And also another aspect is research is a result oriented. In order for you to find knowledge and find answers or an answer to a particular issue, and also to improve something, or things, okay, and then make decision. So you find out the results you have collected, the results you have analyzed, will give you a better space to make decision on where to buy, on what to buy, and the price to pay. Okay, that is it. So in so doing, we are able to understand that research is something that we do almost every day of our life. That's what we do almost every day of our life. Okay, that is, we are doing research in one form or the other. And so these four pillars are the basis for us to understand what research is really all about. And then now, academic research. What is academic research? What is research in academic environment? Define research. And how can we define research? We can say that research is a systematic or organized process which involves initiation, identification, collection, okay, analysis, interpretation, and reporting of results. And like I said before, when you say initiation, what are you initiating? You're initiating an idea in a given area of study, in a given discipline, in a given research area. You're initiating a topic of interest. You're initiating a concept. That is what you do in your under your initiation. Okay? When you identify, what I identify, identifying a problem to explore. You're identifying a research gap in the field. Maybe after reading an article, you find out that from the conclusion or from the future study recommendation, you're able to pick up some gap in the field. You are now, that is what you have done through that process of what on the doing research. Okay, you're able to identify a problem or research gap in the area, in the field that you want to explore. And then what are you collecting? A process of collection. You are collecting what? You are collecting data. Data about people, about object, about your participant, because it involves participants, which can be people. You can collect that very data through your interview observation, through your questionnaire, and all the rest of them. Now, it also involves a process of analysis. You analyze those data you have collected. You analyze them to understand to understand how the data has played out, what people have said, what the participants have said. You are trying to find out, you are trying to make sense of what you have collected. That is your analysis. And then through which you interpret by combining everything together to make deeper sense of all you have collected. Okay, that is your interpretation. And then after you have done with your interpretation, to do your data findings under your interpretation is to find things, to make sense, real sense of that. What do you do? You can also discuss that to make more further sense, and then you report. Through that, you're doing what? You're presenting. You are before presentation, you are discussing and then making presentation. So these are the six pillars that form definition of a research. Like, let me repeat them again. It's the process of what? Initiation, identification, collection, analysis, interpretation, and reporting. That is the component that makes up a research. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and then for further questions on research related information, or please feel free to contact us so we can give you more ideas. And then also, please like our video, subscribe, and share it. Thank you so much. See you next time.